Good morning, Clay Thompson here, Guaranty RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a 2020 Eclipse Attitude. This is the 35 GSG plus 3. We climb inside this one. It's got a nice kitchen area. TV against the wall here, recessed in. Lots of cabinetry. The AM, FM, CD, DVD, MP3 player all in one right there. Fuse and breaker panels, real easy to get to right there. This one's going to have the upgraded kicker stereo system, so we have the amplifiers inside the cabinetry here. And then more storage inside here. The storage there. A little bit of storage on each side. Trying to utilize every little space that they can to get as much storage space as possible. Big 4-door refrigerator. Bank of drawers here. Nice big basin sink, stainless steel one-piece. Residential style faucet. Stove, big oven, 3-burner cooktop. Big microwave, residential size as well. Lots of counter space. A little more storage over here. Large bank of cabinets down through. So it gives you plenty of space for all of your supplies and luggage. Nice, very comfortable freestanding chairs that are rocker and swivel. Nice big patio view out the windows. This one's going to have the More Ride patio kit with the More Ride steps stored inside here. So when the patio is out in patio mode, we can get up the stairs off the patio and come in the back way, instead of having to come around into the doorway and then come through the whole coach to go back to the patio. This unit was ordered with 2 extra swivel rocker chairs, as well as having the opposing dinette and the bunk bed above. Nice big windows in the back. Double tables for the dinette area. Second living room television. Very large flat screen Jensen model. Then it has the couch here that folds up and down, that gives you lots of more seating. So this one's really going to have the seating for the whole family. As we go up, give ourselves a window there. Now we got a nice big couch that makes into a bed, or like you saw, folds up. Fireplace in the living room. There's a nice big table that goes in front of the couch as well there. Storage on the back side of the kitchen counter. Come on upstairs, let me show you the bathroom. This unit's going to have a lithium battery, 210 solar, 10-gallon water heater, all standard, big solar, onboard control panel here for the coach, as well as the pass-through bathroom as we go in forward. Nice big glass shower enclosure. Big cabinetry area for all of our linens. Skylight as well with the fantastic fan in the bathroom. Pass through into the bedroom with a king-size bed. Second air conditioner. Plenty of closet space throughout, all the way across. More storage in here with shelving, and above storage here. So on the 2020 35 GSG, we have a double bedroom slide, so we have opposing slides here in the bedroom, and down below we have a fireplace in the bedroom as well. Isn't that nice? Nice big window. And then as we walk, we got another closet here. Come on outside, let me show you some exterior details. This particular unit also has the Dirt Devil central vacuum system. The 35 GSG is going to have the high gloss gel coat. And you'll notice as you're doing your shopping or reviewing online, looking at different units, when you see the graphics down below all the way down, That's going to show you it's a later model than the previous versions. This lower area would be all black. Triple axle, 16-inch tire and wheel. Zerk fittings on all the shackles, everything that's movable and the suspension's greasable. This was going to have auto leveling system. It's going to have the dual power awnings on the patio side, again with the exterior kicker stereo speakers. Patio kit out the back. We'll move around up front here. This is going to have a very large basement up front. Good idea putting the plastic in the entrance of the basement doors. That keeps the water from getting into the wood areas. So that's really nice. We're here in the Northwest, so that's really particularly nice in our area. Nice big end cap. This unit's going to have the 5,500 watt generator. Nice LED lights on the front end. Very aerodynamic. It's got our cut corners here so we can turn nice sharp corners without using the slider hitch. Real nice feature. Double slide on this side. Battery disconnect area, so we got 2 battery disconnects here, as well as our auto leveling system and under dash lights there. Magnetic catch here. Hold the baggage door open. Again, the plastic in here, rubber lined or plastic lined here, and has the 1,800 watt inverter that's going to give us power inside without having to run the generator for televisions and plug-in spot in the kitchen. 10-gallon water heater. Nice big slide. Fueling station here with gauge. 12-volt pump and handle there. Roof ladder to get up on the roof, as well as the curbs or driver's side extra LED lights for the spotlights out the side. That's just one real quick on the Attitude model that we have here in stock at Junction City, Oregon. My name is Clay Thompson. Feel free to call me if you have any questions or looking for any inventory in the Toy Hauler lineup. You can reach me direct at 541-979-1770. Thank you and have a great day.